This 2020 Heartland North Trail NT King 28 RKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, DVD player, microwave, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, awning, self-contained, auxiliary battery, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Heartland North Trail NT King 28 RKDS is 6,780 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.